Hi, I'm Jay here. I'm technical consultant for Autodesk in Omnix. We'll be seeing some of the tips and tricks available in Autodesk software. You might be working on AutoCAD since a long time and you will be aware of shortcut keys. Did you know that you have the shortcut keys available in Revit application? We'll see how we can use those shortcut keys in Revit. So if you want to access the keyboard shortcuts in Revit, you can go to View ribbon and then you select User Interface, and then here you can select Keyboard Shortcuts. So another way to access the keyboard shortcuts is you can go to File, then you can go to Options, and then you can go to User Interface. Here you can select Keyboard Shortcuts and then click on Customize so that it will open to the keyboard shortcut dialog box here. So here you can see the list of all the commands available, and you'll be able to see the shortcut keys assigned to the commands also. For example, you see for modify it is MD, for properties PP or control 1 or VP is assigned. So for all the commands which has been assigned, if you click on all defined, you'll be able to see the commands and the shortcut keys assigned for the commands here. So here if I filter it by all non-defined, you will be able to see the shortcut keys which are not assigned for these commands here. So if I click on, say for example, if I want to assign the shortcut key for link CAD, so here I can specify LCAD and then click on assign. Now I'll click OK and click OK here. Now if I use LCAD shortcut key, it will open to the link CAD dialog box and I'll be able to link any existing CAD files into Revit application. So likewise, I'll be able to use the shortcut keys in Revit application. And the shortcut key to access the keyboard shortcut is KS. So likewise, you can access the keyboard shortcuts using the KS command.